Yeah, fine. So just say like in the last session, we have seen very brief introduction, just what is what we have seen. Then, so let's we go ahead. Uh, just see like first what we'll do, like we'll see like PostgreSQL installation on Windows, like Windows Server OS. Okay. But anyhow, in real time, we are not working on Windows maximum. Yeah, but just for to start with, let me already have prepared one VM machine here. We can use some VM machine is here already. In this machine, let's we install Postgres here. Normally, we can download directly from the postgres.org, postgresql.org, or from EDB, for example. Uh, yeah, download for Windows. Normally, like Windows installer is their interactive installer by EDB only. Okay, so that's why like by EDB for all supported Postgres versions. Okay, normally if I go to here directly also downloads Windows. Yeah, it is saying that this is provided by EDB only. Okay, right. Check here like this installer. We have the installer. This installer includes the PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin, right? Pgadmin is the tool which we have seen discussed already, like which is similar to SSMS. Okay, to connect and work with databases. The Stack Builder is there, a package manager for downloading and installing additional PostgreSQL tools and drivers. Stack Builder includes management, integration, migration, replication, connectors to other tools. This installer can run in a graphical or silent manner. So we can select here. Uh, Yeah, so we can for these are the old versions are there, and what are the platforms are supported 64-bit Windows platforms. So 17 can be installed in what 2022 and 2019 Windows. Yeah, like this here, like OS prerequisites they have mentioned. Right. So advanced users can also download a zip archive of the binaries without the installer. So this download is intended for users who wish to include Postgres, sorry, as part of another application installer. Okay, so just click here, download, and just here it is navigating to ETP website. From directly also we can install here. PostgreSQL version still 17.2 is available here for Windows. Normally, we have seen yesterday like 17.4 is available right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No problem, Mahesh. Anything we can type here in the chart panel. Okay, anyone. Yeah. Okay. So just say like we'll download here for Windows, right? So Windows x86 or x64. We can click here, download button. So once, it starts what downloading. So if I think yesterday I already have did that. Let me check, cross check one time. Go to downloads. Yeah, Postgres 17.4, maybe from. other site or yeah, I think it was downloaded this one 17.4 automatically, but here it is 17.2 is there. Okay, for installation it may be any version, no problem. Just say like we can start what installation. Let me just copy this into this one VM machine directly in the laptop in our direct host also we can install. Anyhow, I have prepared one VM machine. Okay. Mhm. Okay.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yeah, it's good. Yes.
in server we have different type of versions, right? Enterprise edition, standard edition, like Express Web, like that is the right. So
Mhm.
in Postgres, so the version edition which you are going, so is it free or it is cost, sir?
Yeah, that's why like any edition is free only here.
Okay, any edition is free
Yeah,
only.
free only, but only for maintenance, sorry, support cost is there only.
Okay, only
Yeah,
support cost.
yeah, yeah,
If there is any ticket, it will be the cost.
correct, correct. Yeah, that's why if you want to take some support package,
Okay.
then only we have to pay like per year or like that. If
Mm-hmm.
we are able to handle yeah all types of issues or something, then no need to purchase it. Means we are not purchasing the product. Basically, we are making payment only for support.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And sir, how many editions will be this, sir? Only enterprise and standard, or anything else is there in
We
Postgres?
have only community basically and enterprise edition.
Okay, only two: community and
Uh,
enterprise edition.
Enterprise. Yeah. So basically,
Okay.
these people are the same thing. They are saying like enterprise edition. Basically, they are saying advanced server, which
Mm-hmm.
is basically enterprise edition only.
Okay,
Yes, yeah, yeah, only those two editions. Yes.
only two editions.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, it's not like a developer edition. It's a free or enterprise
Uh,
edition. It's not
no,
not like that.
not like that. Correct. That's
Uh-huh.
why like
Uh-huh.
community we can use anywhere,
Mm.
even for production also. But
Okay,
if want to have additional features with yeah, yeah, then we are going with this enterprise edition with the EDP.
okay, sir.
Right. Okay, let me place here. Okay, so just let's run the setup. Mhm. Just taking time. Mm, just let me, otherwise we can install directly in the host PC. Yeah, once we run the setup, we are getting the wizard like welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard from EDB. Okay, next. Default location is there. C program files, PostgreSQL under that version 17. Why? Because multi-version concurrency is supported. Means whenever you install different version, yeah, 17, like 18, sorry, 16, like subfolders are created. Okay, next. These are see like PostgreSQL server is there, which is like which is the database engine, right? PG admin, which is our graphical tool through which we can connect and work with anyone, developer or DBA or
Sir,
anyone.
this PL SQL PostgreSQL server is like SQL developer, na?
This one you are seeing?
Yes, sir.
No, no, this is the database engine.
Okay, database engine. Okay.
Yeah, correct. This is the SQL developer, PG admin.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Right. So, graphical interface for managing and working with PostgreSQL databases and servers. So, Stack Builder is there. Stack Builder may be used to download and install additional tools, drivers, and applications to complement your PostgreSQL installation, which is optional actually. The command line utilities, command line tools are required for us. Why? Because like which install like PG base backup. Why? Because all these are like utilities we need actually, like PG dump, like we have expdp, right? We have PG dump here, PG restore, PG bench, and more. The command line tools are required option when installing PostgreSQL database or PG. Okay, so that's remember one, two, these three are compulsory for us. Next. Now, sir, please select the data directory, right? Same thing, like where you want to place the database files, okay? Data directory. We know, right, like which is a like Arkle home is there. Here we have data directory. Okay, next. See, like directly in 17, we'll get all the binaries. For data directory, we have separate folder is there here. We need to even like see the whatever the PostgreSQL databases are there in this server. If you want like as it is copy or you want to move this into another server, directly we can take data directory backup. We'll see that one next. Check here like by default it is creating one user here, default user here like Arkle. Here see one default user is created Postgres. Okay, so asking for the password, we can use some strong password. Okay, okay, next. Default port numbers here 5432. Like sequence is there 5, then 432. Default port number for PostgreSQL. But we know already as per the company like policy, we can go with some custom ports, okay, which will be available, which is what available port. But for lower environment, for non-production, we can continue with the default port itself, 5432. Next, select the mm, local, nothing but we have seen like language settings, like globalization or something in Oracle. So we have also like character set, right? Like same thing here also, like I'm using the default one, which depends on this OS language setting. The summary it is showing. Installation directory is there where all the binaries are copied here. Okay, in a bin folder. SQL server installation directory, the same thing. Whereas like data directory is there, which is our data folder. Uh, like default folder is there 5432. Default super user is there here, Postgres, right? Generally we have sysadmin is there, or yeah, DBA is there in Oracle. Here we have super user. Okay. Uh, Operating system account, one default account is created. Database service, PostgreSQL hyphen. This is the service name. Like we can go to, in case of Windows, we can go to services.msc, right? There you can see the service name. But in case of Linux, also we have processes we can see with this name, but multiple processes are created. We'll see. Okay. Then command line tools, it is installing in the same default directory. pgadmin, it is installing in one subfolder here. Stack builder, which is optional for us. Installation log here. It is creating one log also, means to see whether installation was completed or failed. Okay, to preview the log file, installation log file, like we have in Oracle and SQL also, log file. This is like summary it is showing, said important details it is showing, okay, for our initial understanding. Okay, yeah, next. Setup is now ready to begin. It is saying next. Yeah, it is going on. It takes same thing like 3 to 5 minutes time, depends on the configuration. Then the setup is ready. Means like both engine plus PG admin plus all the command line tools, utilities. Right. Yeah, these are the details it was showing in the summary page. Okay, installation directory. I think these points are clear. Uh, Installation directory. Then we have data directory. Yeah, port number, super user. Okay, so if want to take complete instance backup, normally we have to take this data directory backup. Why? Because here we have binaries are there, but specifically like we need this data directory backup. Just 1 minute here. Is Praveen Pankaj Mahesh. Better we'll conclude here. Like I got some call from the manager. Like we have some issue. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we'll
Fine. No
we'll
issue.
continue
Con-
tomorrow. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay.
Okay. Bye, sir.